Okay, next we're on to I/O completion. And this is a wait type where SQL Server it's kind of an obvious one, unlike the async network I/O. This one is what it says it is. It's waiting on I/O operations like log file reads or non-data page reads, different things like that. And generally when we see I/O completion, it's suggesting that there is something slow going on in the disk subsystem. For instance, a slow drive, or maybe a failing hard drive, maybe something failing in a RAID array, or maybe someone just went too cheap on the disks that they provisioned in the cloud, things like that. And you can reduce this by upgrading disk hardware or optimizing I/O heavy operations. Like an example of this, oh gosh, we had one client 5 or 6 years ago. They were doing an update statement where it was something simple like update set active equal 1 where something. And that was updating like 50,000 rows every 10 minutes or something ridiculous like that. And we changed the query to say update that table set active equal to true or to 1 where it's not already 1. And we were able to reduce the amount of I/O on that one by, we took it to less than 1% of what it was before. Therefore, less I/O completion issues. So yeah, that was optimizing the I/O heavy operations. And it made a huge impact on that system. So
Yeah, that feels like a really big file waiting to download, basically.
yeah, think of it like a big, like a big spreadsheet. And if that's downloading every 2 minutes, it's going to be really slow. But if you could say just download those things that have changed, it might be a whole lot faster. And that's kind of the equivalent of optimizing the I/O heavy operations.